Milan, often referred to as Milano in Italian, is a vibrant and historic city located in northern Italy. It is the capital of the Lombardy region and the second most populous city in Italy after Rome. Milan is renowned worldwide for its rich cultural heritage, fashion, design, finance, and industry. Here are some key highlights about the city of Milan. Milan is the capital city of the Lombardy region and the second most populous city in Italy after Rome. The city's name, Milan, is believed to be derived from the Celtic word, Medhlan, meaning mid-plain. Milan has a rich history that dates back over 2,400 years, making it one of Europe's oldest cities. The city was founded by the Celts in the 6th century BC and later became part of the Roman Empire. Milan was the capital of the Western Roman Empire from 286 to 402 AD. The iconic Milan Cathedral, known as the Duomo, is one of the largest cathedrals in the world and took nearly 6 centuries to complete. The Last Supper, one of Leonardo da Vinci's most famous works, can be found in Milan at the convent of Santa Maria delle Grazie. Milan is a global fashion capital and home to many renowned fashion brands, including Prada, Gucci, Versace, and Armani. The city is also famous for its luxury shopping district, Quadrilatero della Moda, where you can find high-end boutiques and flagship stores. Milan is a major financial and economic hub in Italy, hosting the Italian stock exchange, Borsa Italiana. The city is well known for hosting international events like Milan Fashion Week and the Milan Furniture Fair, Salone del Mobile. Milan has two famous football clubs, AC Milan and Inter Milan, both of which have a passionate and dedicated fan base. The Sforza Castle is a historical fortress that now houses several museums and art collections. La Scala, one of the world's most prestigious opera houses, is located in Milan. The Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II is an elegant shopping arcade built in the 19th century, known for its beautiful architecture. Milan's cuisine features delicious dishes like risotto alla Milanese, saffron-flavored rice, and cotoletta alla Milanese, breaded veal cutlet. The city's emblem is a red cross on a white background, reflecting its history as a member of the Lombard League. Milan's public transportation system includes a metro, trams, and buses, making it easy to get around the city. The Navili district is famous for its canals, which were originally used for transportation and trade. Milan hosted the 2015 World Expo, attracting millions of visitors from around the globe. The city has several universities, including the renowned Politecnico di Milano and the University of Milan. Milan's Fashion Week draws designers, models, and fashion enthusiasts from all over the world. The Brera district is known for its artistic atmosphere, with numerous art galleries and cafes. Milan has a vibrant nightlife scene, with plenty of bars, clubs, and entertainment options. The city has a mix of modern skyscrapers and historic buildings, showcasing various architectural styles. Milan's weather is continental, with hot summers and cold winters, but it is generally milder compared to other cities in northern Italy. The city's public parks, such as Parco Sempione and Giardini Pubblicci, offer green spaces for relaxation and recreation. Milan is an essential center for design and hosts the annual Design Week, attracting designers and enthusiasts from all over the world. The city's underground archaeological area, located near the cathedral, showcases ancient Roman ruins and artifacts. Milan is well connected to other Italian cities in Europe through its international airports, Milano Linate and Milano Malpensa. These facts offer just a glimpse of the rich history, culture, and influence that Milan has had over the centuries. The city continues to be a thriving metropolis with a unique blend of tradition and modernity.